Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hatch. Taillight is held to the body, two 10mm bolts, and a clip that's out here. These also have a Phillips head opening in them. You could use a Phillips head screwdriver, but I'm going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet. It's a little bit easier. Shouldn't be in there very tight. Come right out. Put this bolt aside so I don't lose it. I'm going to move to this side. It's basically there's a clip right here, so it needs to push straight out. There's a couple pins holding it in. I'm going to push from the back. It does sound like it's breaking, but it takes a good amount of force to get it free. I was sliding it off of this pin here that slots into here in the tail lamp. And then it also needs to come off of the two little pins here that locate it here. Once it's out, there's a main connector. I push in the lock, pull it out. The whole taillight assembly can be removed now. Reinstall it, plug it into the main harness. To reinstall it, I'm going to want to line it up and slide it over that pin. And it's also going to slide over these locating pins here. So get it just lined up like that. Push it over. Push it straight in. It'll snap when it's in place. Reinstall the bolts. And do the same for the other one. This procedure will be the same for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.